Hey YouTubers, JCTRUTHER, 121, 2026. Last night just did that trade on the Bitcoin and got like 190% move off of this 1.5% move with 125x. Look, it only took like 8 hours. It was like a 1.5% move, like 8 hours, and freaking I end up getting like 190%. I uploaded that video, the last one, my first live trade. I'll try to start live streaming them, but I don't know. I don't know if my computer can handle it. Well, I'll try it though eventually. Maybe later today or tomorrow or something. By the end of this week, I'll try to do one of them, see if it works. But Bitcoin, I don't know. Look how it double taps this now. See that? Think about shorting it, and then look at the RSI. It's going down. See, the trend is going down. It's funny, in lower lows, higher lows, or lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. My bad. Lower lows, lower highs. And for the past, for sure, for the past 5 days, past week, it's been going down. This right here yesterday was pretty good though. Look, it came up and busted past the, but then it put in another low. If it holds this and then makes another high, that'll be good. We'll see. Look at that. Yesterday it was like out of 10 or 9, dude. That's crazy. Let's see. Oh no, it was like at 11. 11.68. I should have sold at that 300, dang it. Yeah, the 1 minute when you first get into it. I forgot I was on the 5 minute, dang it. It looks like it started going up again, I don't know. I might go long. Look at bullish divergence, bullish divergence. Look on the month, boom, and then this one that just popped just here. See that? That's good. I just noticed that. Oh, this is a good spot. Hey, right got in last time. I think they'll come down and hit right here. That'd be a good spot to get in. I'm gonna switch it. What was it? 88575. That'll be funny. I'll get in the same spot I got in last night. I think it could. 8 7 8 7 8 7 5 8 7 8 7. Hold up. 8 7 8 7 5 8 7 8 7 5. .6. Oh, come down, pick me up. And then I guess I'll do this again. Or is this the one? Yeah, that was a low. That's a pretty big low though. A longer than the other one I did. Oh, I don't know, that's pretty high. Looks like it's going back up. Maybe I'll do this. Put this at the stop loss. 888 or 88189.4. That's 16%, 0.15% down. 89881894. You always want to do like a triple check of your numbers before you enter it. It's like one wrong key can mess you up pretty good. How much we lose? $16. I'll give you a screenshot of this. Alright, let's go for it. Pick me up, don't kick me out, please. Well, they pick me up. Hopefully they don't kick me out. I'll take a screenshot of this real quick. I'm just trying to see if it matches. I'm still trying to get it. Still trying to learn it a little bit. Oh yeah, that's my daughter making breakfast. So if you hear all the noise in the background, that's a teenage daughter. Well, she pretty much she's pretty much done with the teens though. She adulting. She's adulting now. Alright, here we go, here we go. If I bust past this next one, that resistance right there at the 577, that'll be good. 8833. Is that what I put? 8833. Yeah, that's pretty good. Right there. But no, I sold it at the 8889. All right, cool. We're in it. I'll check in like a little bit. I'll make me a coffee. I'll be back. Hopefully they don't kick me out. Look, we're up 115% in like a couple minutes. Yeah, buddy. See, dude, this has so much potential. For real. You just gotta get good at it. It's hard. That's crazy. I'm gonna move my stop loss up. I don't care. I could come back down to here. Where's a good stop loss? You guys, we're ripping right there where I'm at. But look at, dude, we're already 118 bucks up. That's crazy. Let's just leave it up because that's a good spot. Really, that's a good support. If it does come down, it might come down and hit the top of this right here. See that? So right here might be a support. So I don't know. I think I might just leave it. I could move it up though, like right here, just in case. But this is really the low. See the low? So high and the low and then that high. I'll just leave it. If it gets a little spot where it could build like something and I could get like a spot to if I could get a spot to get in, then I'll do it. I should probably go on TradingView and put my thing. My idea. Post up on it. Oh. Let's see. Oh dang, what was it? Yeah, see, my computer's barely doing it, allowing it to record. I don't think we'll be able to do a live stream. I'll try it. I'll try it in the next few days. Yeah, dude, look, 215%. That's tight. That's what we talk about. 215%. That's nuts. Cause look, check this out. And we only been in for like about 20 minutes. That's crazy. Yeah, like about 20 minutes because I got on this candle right here. It's this one right here. Yeah, about 20 minutes, dude. That's crazy. Hopefully it holds this right here. Look. See this? Yeah, hopefully it holds that right there. You know what? I'm going to bring up my stop limit. Freak it. You know what I mean? It's better to take a profit than a loss. I'm going to cancel this real quick so I can see better when I move this up. So, the stop limit. So you click this. And you can just drag it up. 54.7 is pretty good because it's right under 55. You know what I mean? So you want it like a little off than the round numbers. Because people like round numbers. So if you're just a little bit off, you might get lucky on a few of them. All right, that's good. See, that's like 100% move right there. 100 and some percent move. We would have to see. I think it's like 100. Was it? Is it 80? Now like 120% move. Wait, no, 1 second. But I only did half of it. Hold up, 80. Now it is like 120% or something like that. Or maybe even 150%. No, I think it's like 120, 130%, something like that. Because look, we're at 180 right now. See that? 180% profit. Or no, not profit, my bad. We're at 225% profit. Yeah, that's like about well, 80, 75, no, 80, 90, 100. Yeah, that's like about 130%, I think. I think that's like 130%. That stop loss right there. So the worst case scenario is I made 130% in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That's cool. See, you got to practice though. You got to practice. It's hard. Because the first couple of trades, first trade I did really good. I made like 300, 400% or something. Or maybe even more. Maybe it was like, no, I think it was like 300%. And the next one I did like 700%. But then freaking I end up losing it all because I was doing that isolated order, and you only have to go down 0.25% and you get liquidated. I was like, what? I was like, that's lame. I was like, it didn't make sense because it said that, you're going to lose like, a certain amount of money. But the stop limit was before that. And I was like, that don't make sense. Why does it show that I lose only a couple bucks, but it shows I get liquidated right there? And that didn't make sense to me. And like the prices were off on that isolated. It just didn't make sense. I was like, dude, like it don't like going in and out, like the prices, it didn't add up. I was like, dude, why is the fee so off? Like, why is it so much? And I was like, dude, I don't get it. And I tried that cross order with only one order at a time, and you get way more space if you use half your money. And the other one I used half the money too, and it didn't make no difference. So I was like, well, maybe that makes a difference, but not like on cross order it does though. You get more of a spread. You get up to like a percent and a half. I think if you go 100x, it's like a 1.75%. If you long it, I think shorting is different though. I think shorting you get a little bit less. Like the shorts pay the longs, and maybe the longs have cheaper fees than the shorts. I'm not too sure exactly how it works, but I'm learning. But that's good, dude. We're up 227% in like 30 minutes. Tight. Hopefully it breaks this resistance up here on this one right here. Watch. See this? That's resistance. We'll turn it to dark blue. Right there will be the red. For when I sell. I should move this up. What is it? 39354. Wait, 89354.7. Alright, we'll see if it kicks me out. Hope it don't. But if it does, 100 and like 30% move in like 30 minutes is pretty good. And then maybe I'll try to live stream it. The next one I do. Hopefully it keeps going up though. I'm gonna leave it right here so you guys can see it. We're at 225%. I think if it falls down, takes me out. I might stop loss now. I just made like 130%, maybe more. Keep going up. If it pops up that one, I might even throw my stop limit up to this next spot up here. The RSI is coming down. Still on the 70 though, so it's still pumping. On the minute chart. What's a 5 minute look like? 75. If it could just go a little bit more to make a new high, dude, that'd be nice. That's crazy though. It's choppy. They call it choppy. So like the shorts get liquidated, the longs get liquidated. It's hard to trade when it's doing that. But it's good if you could catch them. You know what I mean? The volatility. That's what traders like. Sam, that's cool. You could do like 100% moves, couple 100% moves on Bitcoin. You know what I mean? In the day, that's like just mind-boggling. That's just mind-blowing to me. I was like, what? No way, dude. That's tight. Actually, I'm gonna start practicing it, learning that stuff. Cause I was just doing the spot trading for like 4 years. I did good on it with the XLM, cause I've been telling people about XLM. I think that one's a good one. That's the one I'm watching out for. There's a bunch of good ones, you know what I mean? But you do gotta be careful. I'm wondering if I should move it up to that next spot. If it pops to the next round, I will. It's just too close right now. It could come down like right here and then go back up. I don't know. But if it busts past this one, I will. You know, because if it goes up, there's a high. That's the low then. But if it comes down, I'm like, oh, psych, that wasn't the low. oh, right here's the low. And then it continues up. But if it goes past this, then I'll be like, yeah, that's the high. And I'll go up there and put it. Or that's the higher low. We'll see. Hopefully. Ooh, that one's a good one. Oh, I'm gonna have to cancel that anyway. Looks like, yup, just took that one out. See that? Just made a new high. I'm gonna raise it. Raise it. Boom. What's that? 89,697. 89,697. Oh. 697. 89,697.7. All right. Now that's like a freaking 200% move now. You know what I mean? Shoot, now I got like a 200% move in like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I don't know if it's been that long. Let's see. If it kicked me out right there. Yeah, like 28 minutes. It hasn't even been that long. I'll move this up. What was that? $89,697. 89,697. That's good. Yeah, so I guess I could delete this. And this right here. I have to save each one because I'm doing the free trading view thing. I said everything I'm starting with, everything that I'm trading with, it's all free. Like all the stuff I've been learning off Garrett Solway, I don't pay for classes. I don't do none of that. It's all free. You can watch it on YouTube. There's trading view. There's all kinds of stuff you could learn for free. Like, you don't have to pay for stuff. And you don't have to know all kinds of things. You don't have to know, like, a bunch of assets, this and this. Like, a lot of people's like, you got to diversify and have a bunch of different assets. But like Warren Buffett says, all you need is a couple good ones. You know what I mean? Just learn the charts. Learn how to trade it. That really does help out for all of it. The stocks, the commodities, the bonds, the crypto, the whatever, real estate, whatever you could think of. There's those charts and everything. You could even make your life like a chart. There's always ups and downs. You know what I mean? Remember when you're getting smashed and it's hard. You're getting that. It's down, down, down. Just remember, some big green candles are coming. Hold on a little bit longer. And then when you're doing really good, be thankful. And then when the red candles come, just focus on God and just be thankful for what you had. And you'll end up getting the green candles back. Or vice versa, whatever. But look, 277% in like a half an hour. That's how you do it, guys. We're learning how to do this future trading at 125x leverage. USDC on the BloFin, and then TradingView, because the TradingView alerts are better, because the BloFin alerts, it only beeps once, like beep, that's it. Like TradingView, you could hit every time, and if it keeps going until you hit stop it, and that's the way I sort of like it, for you don't like miss the alert. So I put every time, and then I put less than or greater than, because one time I put crossing, or like crossing above, crossing that, and it sometimes there's a gap, and if it gaps above your alert, it won't go off. But if you put greater than and less than, it will. But yeah, dude, we're up like 270%. I'm gonna make me some coffee. I'll be back real quick. I'm gonna have, yeah, I'll be back real quick. What's close? Hopefully it keeps going up. Hold that support. See, I told you, look, right there was a support. I knew it. Put in another high. That's good. It's climbing. Bitcoin's climbing right now. So Bitcoin's on the rise. Keep it up. See, that's a good spot then where I put my sell limit. It's like around a 200% move. So the worst case scenario is I get 200% on this trade. That's pretty good for a Bitcoin trade in like less than like 40 minutes or something. So there's huge potential. You guys could practice on that demo account and then throw 20 bucks in there and just try it with a little bit of money at a time. That's how I start. That's what I'm doing. My goal is to get up to $1,000 and then turn that 1,000 into 10,000 a month, and then wash and repeat. Take the money out, put it into silver and gold. Get 1,000, turn it to 10,000. Get that money out. Order some silver and gold from SD Bullion. $200 free shipping until they change it. But yeah, that's my goal. if I could do this like full time and actually, like, you know what I mean, get paid pretty good. Even if you have $1,000 and you could like make like, I don't know, 5,000, 7,000, that's pretty good. That's like like a good job. You know what I mean? But if you're doing like 10,000, shoot, that's like you have a master's degree or something. So there's potential here. It's just how much you want it and how much you got to pray to God too. Because I pray to God, Jesus Christ, to teach me how to trade. Because I wouldn't have gotten to Coinbase. I wouldn't have learned about Garrett Solwell. I wouldn't have learned about TradingView. None of that stuff. But God set me up. He's like, I was like, yeah, he's showing me how to do it. And I pray in the name of Jesus Christ. I was like, help me get good at this. And for I could teach people too. I was like, we could learn together. Because the best way to learn is help teach it too. Because then you're like double learning it. So that's like my thing too. That's tight, 250%, and it had that bottom right there, that support. You see that, guys? All right here, I held it right here. See that? That's nice. Hopefully it keeps climbing. It's looking good. Nice. All right, I'm gonna make some. I'll be back real quick. think I'm out. I'll be a little bit less than 200%. It's like 190%, almost like what I got last night. 199% or 195%, something like that. See, we're at 201 right now. It's popping bottom finder on the minute. Hopefully it don't kick me out. But if it does 190 some percent, that's pretty good. I'll be happy with that. No, that's a good trade for the day. 190%. If I keep on doing that day after day, that'd be pretty good. Now, some of them you could get really good if like the market's ripped, and you could get like 10-20% and stuff. Jeez. Looks like it's gonna take me out. See how that bearish divergence right here on the RSI. See how it's going down, and then putting in a new high, and then putting in another low. So it looks like it's rolling over. But 190%, 199% or so, it's pretty good. We'll see where it's at. Look, 200. 199, 197, 195, 199. I think it'll probably be like 191 or something, 193. Boom. It was like 190, 190% on that trade. That's pretty good. Right here's where I got out. Boom. We'll see if it drops below this. I'll put it right here. All right. Well, that's a good trade, you guys. 190%, and let's see how long. I know. My bad. I always get mixed up, I think, because I'm used to using the full screen on the TradingView. As I was like, see, that was like around what I got last night. About 1.5%. It's a 190% move with 125x leverage. And that took 51 minutes. Last night it took like 8 hours. So that's way better. You know what I mean? Now I have time to do some other trades today. Maybe I'll try to do a live stream. I'll see what's up. If not, I'll do another recording or something. Or for sure tomorrow I'll do another one. But yeah, you guys take care. Much love.